students. How are y'all today? Today we will be going over geometric sequences. And in order for me to explain this topic to you, I will be using the technology tool, a digital story. What the digital story will be is me teaching the concept with my voiceover. And after we complete the digital story, I will have the floor open for you to ask any questions. Okay, so first things first, remember we're going over geometric sequences. So if you would like, I would like for you to pull out a sheet of paper and be able to take notes on the digital story, and afterwards we will do a couple questions. Geometric Sequences by Ms. McWilliams. No need to be confused, I am here to help you. What is a geometric sequence? A geometric sequence is a sequence in which each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a constant non-zero real number called the common ratio. An example of a geometric sequence is the series of wages 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16, in which the first term is 1 and the common ratio is 2. Now let's break this thing down a little. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80. What number can be multiplied to give us these? 2. You have 5 times 2 gives you 10. 10 times 2 gives you 20. 20 times 2 gives you 40. And 40 times 2 gives you 80. So 2 will be our common ratio. Geometric sequence formula: a to the nth term equals the first term times the common ratio raised to the nth term minus 1. Problem 1. Find the sixth term in a geometric sequence if the first term is 8 and the common ratio is 4. So I have a video here explaining this problem to you, and we're going to play it. Okay, so let's write our given. Our term is 8 to 6. Our first term is 8, and our common ratio is 4. Let's rewrite our formula. So we have 8 to 6 term, and 8 to the first term is 8 times our common ratio, which is 4, raised to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 4 raised to the 5th power is 1024. 8 times 1024 gives us 8,192, and that is our sixth term. Okay, so for this problem, our answer was 8,192 for our sixth term. And remember that they gave us the first term, and they also gave us the common ratio, so you plug it into the original formula. Okay, so let's write our... Okay, so for problem 2, we have find the seventh term in a geometric sequence if a to the second term is 15 and a to the fifth term is 405. The common ratio is missing. So this problem will not be like the last problem. You have to do extra steps. Okay, for this problem, we're going to have 3 steps. For step 1, we're going to find our common ratio. So we have 405 equals the first term times the common ratio raised to our new term minus 1. We have 15 equals the first term times our common ratio raised to our new term minus 1. Rewriting this, we have 405 equals the new term times r. 5 minus 1 is 4. New term times r. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you're going to divide these two. 4 and 5 divided by 15 gives us 257. These cancel. 4 minus 1 gives us r cubed. To get r by itself, we're going to take the cube root of 257 and the cube root of r cubed. Cube root of 257 is 3, and the cube root of r cubed is r. That is our common ratio. For step 2, we're going to find the first term. So picking that formula, we're going to go with 15. So you have 15 equals the first term times our common ratio, which is 3, raised to the new term minus 1. So you have 15, first term, 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So now you have 15 equals first term times 3. To get this first term by itself, we're going to divide everything by 3. These cancels. So the first term is 15 divided by 3, which is 5. So now for step 3, we're going to plug everything in and find a to the 7th term. Rewriting our formula, we have the first term times the common ratio raised to new term minus 1. So a to the 7th term times our first term, which is 5, times the ratio, which is 3, raised to 7 minus 1. Seven minus 1 is 6. We have 5 times 3 raised to the 6th power, which is 729. And then 5 times 729 is 3,645. That gives you the 7th term. Okay. So now you try. I know you hate this, but for homework tonight, you have one problem to do that is due tomorrow morning. Find the 5th term in a geometric sequence if the first term is 7 and the common ratio is 2. Make sure that you do this and it's correct, and I want it on my desk in the morning. Okay, class, I hope you all took great notes, because now I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. Okay, so for the first question, I want to know, if I give you a series of numbers, 5, 25, 125, and 625, what is the common ratio, Rebecca?
5.
Congratulations, that is correct. Okay, now Billy, why is 5 the common ratio?
Because you can multiply each number by 5.
Congratulations, that is also correct. Okay, so now my second question for you all is, how do you feel about geometric sequences after you have watched my digital story? Along with your notes, I want you to write down 2 sentences of how helpful was this digital story and turn it in along with your homework problem that I assigned you.